Today I'm going to demonstrate how to mix a Hong Kong cocktail. We're going to start by filling up our 16-ounce mixing glass with ice. And from there, we're going to mix in 1 part gin. We're using a well gin, but feel free to use any gin of your preference, to 1 part of dry vermouth. For this specific drink, I'm going to recommend 1 ounce to 1 ounce or a 4 count. So 1, 2, 3, 4 is going to give us our desired pours. From there, we're going to put in a splash of bitters, and we're going to fill the rest up with sour mix. From there, we're going to make sure we have our cocktail glass prepared, and then we're going to mix and shake all of our ingredients. Hawthorne strainer over the top of your mixing glass, and then just pour your ingredients directly into your cocktail glass like so. And always remember your cocktail straw, stir, whatever you choose to call it, right on the side. Your Hong Kong cocktail.